And today we have an unboxing of this hair regrowth treatment for you. Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send it to me. Number one, dermatologist recommended active ingredient. Their little sticker there on the side. This is a 2-ounce 60 milliliter container. A little bit of the facts here on the back. And then this is a hair growth serum to stimulate hair growth, nourish thinning hair, and revitalize hair follicles. So let's open this up, see what we're working with here. Well, didn't get all of it. All right. Very nice. Now let's open this on up, slide it out. Nothing else in there. And here it is, cardboard. Little instruction guide, info on the ingredients again, and that's what it would look like. As you can see, same little logo on it. Very nice glass bottle. And you'd essentially just screw off this top, and you can see you got 1 milliliter, 1.75 milliliters, 0.5 milliliters, and 0.25 milliliters. And that is what the serum looks like there. So you just take it and drop it onto your hair like so. Of course, this is just an unboxing. I don't really have a way to show this product, but this is what you get and what it would look like, and that'll essentially do it. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.